Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you an amazing blueberry muffins recipe. And the best part about this recipe is that these muffins are eggless. These blueberry muffins come in really handy when kids are looking to snack on something and it's delicious. The ingredients that we are going to use are really simple and easily available in anyone's home and some fresh blueberries. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make these delicious blueberry muffins that are eggless. Here are some basic ingredients that we're going to use. So I've taken about 2 cups of milk and I warmed it up a little bit in the microwave. To that add 1 cup of sugar and I have melted some butter about 3/4 cup. So add that in. Mix all these wet ingredients really well. Whisk this mixture for a minute or two and next we are going to add some vanilla essence about a teaspoon and again give it a really good mix. We want to make sure that the sugar melts. So just for another minute or two and keep it on the side. Next we are going to dust the blueberries and I have taken about 1.5 cups of blueberries and to that I have added 1.5 teaspoon of corn flour. Just coat all the blueberries with the corn flour. This is to ensure the blueberries spread evenly in our blueberry mixture. Now take a really big bowl and to that we are going to start sieving our dry ingredients. So take about 3 cups of all-purpose flour and I'm just sieving this. Sieving ensures the consistency in our blueberry muffins. So anytime you do any baking, this is an important step. Next we are going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, some salt about half a teaspoon. I've also sieved that and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, sieved again. So just give it a quick mix to these dry ingredients. With the quantity that I have showed, you can easily make about 15 to 16, small to medium size blueberry muffins. So simply drop our wet ingredients in our dry flour. So just start mixing like this. If you like, you can also use your hand blender. I just got lazy and I started using my whisk, so it took me more time. Ensure that there are no lumps. It looks good. Now drop our dusted blueberries and using a spatula gently mix them. Notice that the base muffin mixture can remain the same. You can replace the blueberries with the fruit that you desire. You can add chocolate or strawberries and you can get chocolate muffin or a strawberry muffin. So here I'm simply using some muffin molds. I have also used the muffin liners and sprayed some oil just so that the muffins come out easily. Now start dropping our blueberry muffin mixture and just enough because they are going to rise as they cook, so don't fill it up until the top. These eggless blueberry muffins turn out really well. I'm going to set up my oven for 400 Fahrenheit. Just simply place the muffin tray in and let it cook or bake for about 20 to 22 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. You can check after about 20 minutes how well they are done. If you like more darker color, you can add another 5 to 6 minutes and they should be good. Here now our muffins look well done. Look at those, they have risen well. Let's give it a quick look, make sure that they are cooked and the muffin is done. Let's take them out. Notice that the consistency of these blueberry muffins really looks good. They feel soft and light. Let's open and check. The size is also great, just like any store-bought blueberry muffins. And the best part is with in stores they don't add as much fruit that you would add at home. So when you take a bite, you can easily see a lot of blueberries in there. loaded with blueberries. This blueberry muffin has turned out so good. Look at that. Let's kind of open and check, and I can already feel the soft texture of the muffin, and the whole house is smelling delicious. Look at that. Simply awesome. Definitely give it a try. You can easily make about 15 to 16 small to medium sized muffins with the number of ingredients and the amount that I have used. Hope you have enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.